Yeah.
And we're going to use some honey and butter.
Yeah.
And
sesame seeds.
And sesame seeds.
So you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and also gas marks for. So now we want to grease a pan with butter, and then we will see you at the next step. So we have just greased our pan with butter, and you want to make sure that you have enough butter so that it doesn't stick to so that the flapjacks don't stick to the pan when you're taking it out. So the next step is you want to melt butter, honey and sugar over a saucepan at low heat, and we'll see once we've done. So once you've done that, then you are going to add your peanut butter, and then you stir until all the ingredients are mixed well. So we're going to add the peanut butter.
Yeah, the peanut butter is very sticky.
Yeah. Let's add some. So now we are going to mix. Ooh, that splashed everywhere. Okay, let's continue. That's good. See it. It smells good too.
That smells so good.
Okay, now we're going to put it on this. So now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, the porridge oats.
The porridge oats.
And 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Ready? I'm going to pour it in. Oops. Then number 2. You're going to combine the ingredients until it's nice. These are like everywhere. It looks really good. This chapter is gonna come. This is what the mixture looks like. The batter looks like, and it looks so delicious. So now we're going to put the batter into the prepared baking tin. So hear it. It looks so good. It looks so rich. It actually, I think it's going to taste really, really good. It's got peanut butter, and I like peanut butter.
What's that?
Package is going in. It's too good to be left out. The sides too, you can't forget the sides. Now we're just going to spread it just a little bit so make it even. And now we're going to put these in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. So guys, I'm back here with the finished product. These flapjacks were so fun to make, and they look so delicious, especially the crispy outline in the middle, and it looks so good. I would totally recommend this because it tastes nothing like that. But like this video, please subscribe and bye.